What happens to your business between October and March? For most roofing contractors, the slow season is real. The phones slow down, the jobs dry up, and you spend those months watching your savings drain while you wait for spring. But here is what the top roofing contractors in 20s figured out. The slow season is not caused by bad weather. It is caused by a weak marketing and follow-up system. The roofers who stay busy year-round are not luckier than you. They are not in better locations. They have better systems. And in 2026, those systems are powered by AI. Today, I am going to show you exactly what those systems are and how you can set them up this weekend. The first problem I want to solve is estimates. Every roofer knows this situation. You drive out to a property. You spend 45 minutes on the roof. You take your measurements. You drive home. You spend another hour calculating materials and labor. You type up the quote. You email it. And then you wait. Meanwhile, the homeowner called 3 other roofers. The one who got back to them fastest with a professional-looking quote usually gets the job. There is an AI tool called Roofer that completely changes this. Roofer lets you measure any roof from satellite imagery in under 2 minutes. You never even have to get on the roof for the estimate. You pull up the address on your phone. Roofer measures every slope, angle, and square footage automatically from satellite. You tap your materials and labor costs. A professional branded estimate is generated and emailed to the customer in minutes. You could be sitting in your truck at the end of the driveway, sending a professional estimate before the homeowner has even walked back inside. That speed alone wins jobs. Homeowners choose the contractor who responds fastest and looks most professional. Roofer makes you both. The second problem is leads drying up in the off-season. Most roofers get their leads one of 2 ways: storm damage referrals or word of mouth. Both of those dry up in winter. But there is a way to generate roofing leads year-round using AI-powered local ads. Meta AI lets you run hyper-targeted ads to homeowners within your service area. You set your radius. You set your budget as low as $10 a day. And Meta AI automatically finds homeowners who are most likely to need a new roof. You can run ads specifically targeting older neighborhoods where roofs are due for replacement. You can target areas that recently had hail or wind events. You can target homeowners who have been in their house for 15+ years. For $300 a month in ads, you could be getting 5 to 10 new roof estimates every single week, even in January. There is also an AI tool called Hatch that automatically follows up with every lead you have ever collected. Homeowners who asked for a quote but never responded. Past customers whose roofs are getting old. Anyone who ever contacted your business. Hatch sends them automated personalized text messages at the perfect time. Things like, "Hey, it has been a couple years since we replaced your roof. Have you had it inspected recently?" Or, "We are running a special this month for neighbors in your area. Would you like a free inspection?" Those messages go out automatically to hundreds of contacts while you sleep. And they book jobs from leads you thought were dead. The third problem is Google reviews. I have covered this in previous videos, but it is even more important for roofers than almost any other trade. Why? Because a roof replacement is a $10,000 to $30,000 decision. Homeowners do not take that lightly. They research extensively. They read every review. They compare multiple contractors. The roofer with 200 5-star Google reviews wins almost every time before the estimate is even given. Nice Job automatically sends every customer a text after their roof is completed, asking for a Google review. It takes them one tap to leave a 5-star review. After 6 months of using Nice Job, you will have more reviews than every competitor in your area. Combined with regular Google business profile posts written by ChatGPT, before and after photos of your jobs, educational content about roof maintenance tips for homeowners, you become the most visible and trusted roofer in your market. The fourth problem is project management and communication. Roofing projects involve multiple crew members, multiple suppliers, and a homeowner who wants updates constantly. Managing all of that through phone calls and text messages is chaos. There is a tool called Job Nimbus that is built specifically for roofing contractors. It manages your entire project from lead to final payment. It automatically sends homeowners progress updates. It tracks your materials orders. It schedules your crew. And it generates invoices and collects payments automatically. No more homeowners calling to ask what is happening. No more crew members not knowing where they need to be. No more invoices sitting unpaid because you forgot to follow up. Here is your weekend action plan. Sign up for Roofer free trial and do your next 3 estimates using satellite measurement instead of climbing on the roof. Then sign up for Nice Job and connect it to your Google business profile, so every completed job automatically generates a review request. Do those 2 things this weekend, and by next month, you will have faster estimates, more reviews, and a stronger reputation than every competitor in your market. If you are a roofer or you know a roofer, share this video with them right now. These tools are a complete game changer for the roofing industry. Drop a comment below. How do you currently handle estimates and how long does it take you right now? I want to know. Next week I am covering AI tools for mechanics and auto shops. How AI helps you book more service appointments, get more reviews, and keep customers coming back for every oil change and repair. Subscribe so you do not miss it. New video every week. I am AI Unlocked and I will see you next week.